Hi everyone, today we are on Gran Canaria, which is one of the It's getting too loud. Hello everyone, today we are in Gran Canaria, one of the Canary Islands. Spanish people call them Islands of Paradise. Is that true? Let's figure that out together. I found a really nice spot to film because it is like a big chessboard around here. I just wanted to share my thoughts about this place overall, right? It's our third day and I pretty much enjoy it. I mean, I'm not the fan of resorts where you just lie next to the pool. I'm one of those people who like to travel to places where you can go to the mountains or take a cruise to watch some amazing views, but you kind of get both of the worlds here. The only thing that I did not enjoy here is the situation of the COVID. So first of all, they ask you to wear masks a lot here, and I'm from UK. In UK we don't wear masks, but again, it's probably not the problem of this resort, it's probably just overall situation in the Spain and the Canary Islands, so I can't really complain about about the resort. And another thing is they have this new booking system where you need to book for the restaurants, and it failed on the second day for me. So it took them 2 hours to fix this, which was not really enjoyable.
Signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spreading in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. It's funny how easily a life can be torn apart. Why couldn't I simply see that I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt? The climb we did was unreal. You made me so sweet.
Right, so there is one thing that I wanted to raise just so that you know, and to make it very, very clear, I'm not judging anyone, I'm not saying that it's good or bad. I just wanted to make all my subscribers be aware. Right, so this will apply to Canary Islands and Spain at least. Nudity here is a totally normal thing. So, if you're going to walk around, you're probably not going to see this in resorts, but if you're going to walk around, go to the beaches, you will definitely note that there are a lot of naked people around, and that's totally fine. So, whether you are not used to this or you are, just be ready. That's what you're going to see. Enjoy.
With pins and patches, we carry on. I rise from the ashes. I heal from your passion.
So yesterday we were in Maspalomas Dunes, and for some reason the SD card on this GoPro got corrupted and I've lost all the footage. A shame. but I still wanted to spend a little bit of time to tell a bit more about this place because I really recommend anyone going to Gran Canaria Islands to visit that place. You're not gonna get anything like this in any other Canary Islands, so you need to go there. It's only probably couple of minutes of walk wherever you're gonna be staying, and it's definitely worth it. It's an amazing desert and you're gonna really enjoy the type of photos you can get there. Do you wanna see some footage we got from there? There you go. So let's talk about food. Food is very important for me. I'm a big foodie, so I always rate hotels and places where I'm staying from the food perspective. And you get a couple of things here. You get the main buffet and you get 2 extra restaurants. I'll talk about them a bit later. So the main buffet is amazing. I enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. You get a big variety of different dishes. You get a lot of meats, you get a lot of vegetarian, vegan options, everything you want. In terms of those 2 restaurants that are here for extra, so you get them for free if you stay here for 5 nights or longer. If you don't, you have to pay. So we've stayed here for 4 nights, so we've paid 70 euros for every restaurant here just to experience it and see what they offer. And I'll be honest with you, not worth it. Unless you've never eaten sushis, there is no point of going there because they offer a really basic set of sushis here. The Italian restaurant, again, I'll be honest with you, there is nothing else that you won't get in the main buffet. So paying extra, not worth it. If you get it as a complimentary, feel free to use it. But as I mentioned before, the main buffet is absolutely gorgeous. I have no words. Enjoy it. Bon appetit. By the way, what do you think about these glasses? I think they're pretty stylish. They're actually made in Canary Islands. They're pretty fashionable right now. And I think they're pretty cool. I love the reflection. I could actually use them to take some shots, some photo shots from the reflection from these glasses. Let me in the comments, what do you think about these glasses? Do you love them? Do you hate them? Let me know. So let me share some recommendations on the duration of the stay. I know it's individual, but I want to share my own view about this. So the first day you will definitely spend on observing, discovering what's around your place, but then you're gonna spend a couple of days on just activities. So we've gone watching dolphins, and then we've gone to Maspalomas Dunes, definitely recommend those. They are just absolutely amazing, really worth it. And then you're probably gonna spend all other days just lying next to the pool. Again, if you're the kind of the person who enjoys that, that's definitely for you. You can spend a week or two here. It's definitely gonna be good for you. But for us, that's more than enough really. And that's what we're doing. We're going back to UK. We're gonna work for a couple of weeks there, and then we have another travel. I'm not gonna tell you where we're going. That's gonna be a surprise you're gonna see on this channel. So make sure you subscribe to get all the new videos. Make sure you put the notification on, because again, you don't wanna miss that out. And like this video if you enjoy the type of the content that I'm sharing. I want to make sure you're enjoying it. Nearly forgot one tiny bit for the ending. That I'll see you in the next video.